the explanation for the take-home quiz question number 2. Set up a sum accumulator and use a for loop with a range statement to find 1 over 1 plus 1 over 3 to 1 over 101, and then print the statement to show the output. So the first step is also initializing the sum accumulator to 0, so we can tap like sum accumulator is equal to 0. And we use for loop, so for I in range 1, 102, and step is also the 2. So don't worry the difference between 1 over 1 and 1 over 3, because for here we already code like sum accumulator is equal sum accumulator plus 1 over I, and the shortcut for that is here, sum accumulator equal plus 1 over I. So we already defined the sum accumulator, and we just print the output. The output is 1 over 1 plus 1 over 3 to 1 over 101. It is output. So we print the sum of 1 over 1 plus 1 over 3 to the 1 over 101, and we should get a result, and we run it. So here's the result. Here. So here's the explanation for the take-home quiz question number 2.